Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans, welcome back to my channel. If we don't know each other yet, bienvenue. My name is Celine, I'm a TV journalist and my YouTube channel is all about high-tech. Now that we know each other, let's get going.
We all know that there is a love story going on between DJI and Apple, so when the OM4 was out with its new magnet mount, rumors were saying that the iPhone 12 will fit like a charm to the gimbal without any extra accessories. Let's not forget, the iPhone 12 has now the MagSafe system that helps snap the iPhone 12 models right into place on their wireless charging docks and also enables a whole new series of accessories that can easily snap on, from silicone cases to leather wallets. It means that there will be two magnetic sources, one from the gimbal of the OM4 and one from the phone. When opposite ends of two magnets interact, the two attract. When the same ends of two magnets interact, they repel because the lines cannot cross and are compressed by each other. So I was afraid that the iPhone 12 and the OM4 would repel each other. But as you can see, nothing went wrong. They fit perfectly well, but I'm still using the magnetic accessory from DJI to film with my iPhone 12. I don't want to have any accident. It's now time for some cinematic footage. Let's go! So the iPhone 12 is on the OM4 and I'm going to try out the stabilization. Something that looks different for me is the volume buttons. Okay, so look at this very strange position. I cannot go up further with this thing because otherwise it's gonna click on the volume button. But then it's not right in the middle. So I hope not. It's going to balance correctly. But this is kind of annoying. Yep. This is really annoying. Look at the bezel, it's hiding the MIMO menu. What? The wide-angle cameras in the iPhone 12 Pro have improved low-light photography and also an improvement with the ISO paired with a wider aperture. It makes the footage with the OM4 smooth with details and more cinematic. If you want to have more details about this video, check out the description down below.
Don't miss any of my videos by liking and subscribing. I upload every Monday and Thursday. Take care and have fun with your OM4. Salut!